3 months, no paycheck.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
And bills are still coming in. Let's talk about it. Hey, I'm Jayla Dreams. Welcome to my channel. 3 months, no paycheck, bills still rolling in, and I'm trying to figure out how am I going to pay my bills. How I got into this space. I got hurt on my job, and it's been about 3 months, and I'm still currently off my job. At that point, I was stressed, panicking, and trying to figure out
a plan. They don't care about me. The people, the bills are still flowing in. And then it's like the job, it's like they taking their sweet time.
And that's when I took my skills and turned it into a business, and which is bracelets, which I sell online, and I do pop-up events in my state, and also creating and launching digital products. The bracelet side of things, I would be sharing behind the scenes of the packaging, making a bangle or a beaded bracelet, providing free vendors for people who want to start their own bracelet business, and the ins and outs of the bracelet business, what I would have wish I known before, and then difference from what I'm knowing now. Digital products are files. They can be printables, they could be ebooks, courses, and really creating a digital product is all about something that you already do, something that you have a passion about, and it could be one of your hobbies, something that helps solve someone's problem. Something that brings joy to somebody. Like, I love making bracelets.
I get very creative, and that put a smile on somebody else's face, and that makes me happy.
So I will be showing how to create a digital product in Canva. And you can make a digital product in 24 hours, where you can actually sell your products, how to, description down below. Don't rely on one income. These jobs really don't care about what happened to us. All they're gonna do is get somebody else out there to replace and go on like nothing happened. Have multiple streams of income. And why not start your own business? Need direction of how to or where to start, and I got you. So I learned a lot along the way. So I appreciate tagging along with me. Every like, comment, I'm gonna say that. You're a real one if you hung with me this long. Digital products about bracelets, jdslasu.com will be in the description below. Until next time, we gonna kick it.